thought you were going to start cutting.
Do, re, mi, fa, sol.
Hey, what's going on? You're on the Team Olympus YouTube channel. If you're new to the channel, make sure you check out this link up here to see what we're all about. Right now, we're working on the rock bouncer. We're almost done with it. We've got all our parts from Barnes to make the rear trailing arms and everything that we need to do. So we're gonna get right to work tonight.
Let's go.
Doesn't want to go in.
Joe, it drops in just fine.
It's not.
Oh my God.
Why can't I do it? Hey!
Getting some work done. We got everything transferred to the back here. We made the new upper arms. I got the tabs cleaned up. Joe knocked out a tube that we realized we missed. So that's done. And now it's time to get these coilovers mounted up in the back. We have some tabs up here that we cut. And then on the link up here, we're going to mock up where we're going to put the bend in the arm so that it has a radius, putting the coilover at the lowest point of the arm to keep it from twisting. And we're gonna make a bracket for that, and then we'll be on weight. Joe. Oh man, this has been a fun adventure. Our initial plan has not worked out anywhere we planned. We can't go to the top arm the way that we did this back cage. It gets in the way, so we started working with the lower arm, and getting everything working has been a bit of a challenge. Packaging and a number of things, just interesting. So started working with this side, and I tacked on a plate down there to hold the coil over, show it for us to go to the lower arm, which we have room for. and then we flexed it all the way to the top and bottom, and then the tack broke and almost dropped the buggy on Joe over here. So
Yeah. Yep.
now that we have this figured out, we're going to relocate our tabs. These are just the original tacked on tabs. We're going to relocate to match that side. I'm going to go ahead and cut out the plate for the bottom and see if we can't get these coilovers where they're supposed to go and actually flex this out. And then of course the front up here doesn't have any arms on it, so it's just kind of resting and chilling. Power of media, I can show you stuff really fast. Hey Joe, you know what else is cool about the power of media?
What's cool?
Time travel, because guess what?
It's tomorrow.
Yeah, you're still Joe.
I'm still me.
All right, let's get back to work.
Hey, we are just about done with where we need to be on our part of this project. Daniel's gonna get going on some finish welding up in here so we can get this thing set up on its front shocks here, so it's got some weight. And then I'm gonna work on finishing up the belly pan here. I think we're gonna put just some supports in here, front and back, there and there, kind of like a diamond here, just to spread the load out. But that is where we're at here. We're in the final stretch.
I don't know where those are going. I talked about that before. We'll probably
They're not going right there.
strap them somewhere clean, but holy moly, dude.
Take them back.
This thing is huge. We got it hooked up and drooped out to check everything, and that's... Joe, go stand next to it. How tall are you, Joe?
6+.
Yeah, you're about... So that's a big boy.
Probably 8 foot high.
So that's not 8.
At the peak, it's probably close to
Probably about 7. Either way, it's up there. So you're not gonna climb up there?
No, it's not. Look, it's gonna fall.
Well, if you climb up there, I can shake it and you can get the idea you're riding in it.
That's not a wonderful idea.
Oh man, so we are I gotta finish one tube out here on the belly there, and then I've got to.
We need one right here.
Yeah, that guy, just that, but that's it.
That's it. Those are the 2 tubes that are left.
I mean, that's a significant amount of travel. I'm very curious. Well, here, measure the bump to the pad. That's a lot of travel. Holy moly, dude. That might be too much.
What do you think it is?
Looking at it, 28 inches.
26 to the bottom of the bump.
26. Holy cow, dude. So that's 26 inches. Oh, and plus this goes up to that. So 27. So I wasn't off. 28. So 27 inches of rear travel. That's the same as those guys, only on a bigger tire. Just looks totally different. So this guy, I've got to do some final welding. I went through and welded a lot of this front end here, and oop, missed that one. There'll probably be some stuff he'll take care of, but we wanted to get this thing to the point where we could put it on shocks and actually check it with all the arms in, suspension, and well, here we are. So the next time you see us, are you going to be here Saturday?
Probably loading it up. Yeah.
Okay, yeah, so we'll catch this video back up on Saturday when Josh comes to pick this thing up, and that'll be it. We'll see you guys Saturday. Well, it has left the shop, so that's nice. We're going to weld a couple more things on it, but I am actually out of gas, so he'll get those finished up when he gets home. He's got a bunch of parts and stuff we got to load up in his truck, and then we'll get this thing loaded. And it's time to leave. Trying to get this bouncer loaded, it's been fun.
Are we doing the thing over here? Oh, you want to do it now?
Oh no, it's all dark now. Is it gone? Is it gone? Joe!
I have room to play in here.
It's gone, Joe!
Room, it's gone, and I have room.
Oh, finally we got all this space back. I feel amazing now. Oh. Woo!
Like a skateboard, I can bounce.
Joe's gonna die over there on the jack.
Nope.
Well, I hope you enjoyed this last video. Like I said, we wanted to really do something a little different, and we're
I'm done.
Okay, Joe's over here. He's playing. Hold on a second, hold on. He's playing scooter mode.
Yeah, I'm trying to
Do a kickflip, Joe.
It's like a skateboard kickflip, yeah, on a 3-ton floor jack.
Oh, that's gonna hurt.
But I can balance on it. Whoa!
As Joe takes out his own car. I love it.
No.
All right, well, that's the end of the video. The bouncer is officially gone. We won't be doing any more on it. He'll be finishing it up from here. Hopefully we'll get some content. We can show you where it goes, what happens to it, and hopefully we even see it out there racing. But only time will tell. But we finished up our end of it. It looks great. He's happy with it. And we have so much space back in the shop, which means it's time to get on to some new projects. So if you like this video, make sure you subscribe. Give us a thumbs up. Also, comment down below if you like the new format. We're really pushing hard to up the quality and make something that you're really going to enjoy watching. So make sure you tell us your thoughts and what you think. So with that, Joe, you ready to get out here, buddy?
Time to go.
I think Joe's ready to go. So, double fist bump for you, Joe. We finally finished the product. Fist bump for you guys.